In this demo, our assumed user is an Agile team member from PGE. User wants to create a test scenario to test that X icon is displayed and 7-day public safety text is shown in PGE outage update screen. Here we would demonstrate the use of OCR technology to run our assertion for presence of text in the PGE forecast screen page. Let's get started. User enables TS360 browser extension and enters name for his project and then clicks on Submit button. He then starts capturing elements to be used for this test. When he clicks on an element with tooltip on, the XPath is captured by TS360 browser extension and shown in side panel. User clicks on Save Selected button to save the XPath in his browser's local storage. Once done with elements, user refreshes the page either by clicking on a button or by simply clicking the browser refresh icon. In this case, he just refreshes the page to load display page as he wants to run assertion in the first page itself. Once page is refreshed, user is shown a prompt to load the display page where he can specify his page level workflow. User gives a name to his display page and defines his assertion methods. While creating assertion method, user specifies his return type as Boolean as he doesn't want to further navigate, but just want to expect a true or false response. Please note the use of doOCR method to run OCR. User defines the value for his parameter date range in a configurable file. In this case, the value is set to 7-day public safety. Now user is ready to create his workflow. So, he clicks on Create Workflow and confirms. Please note that you can directly click on this button from the last display page after clicking Create. Or you can exit the display page and reload the screen to come back to the display page and click on Create Workflow button therein. In the workflow screen, user specifies his starting screen and then specifies his interpage workflow by linking the page methods. In this case, there is only one page. User can create multiple workflows. Now user creates a test suite, links it with a requirement ID and selects his verification screen. Workflow method name is auto-generated by TS360, and once user selects the workflow method, the assertion methods available for selected verification screen is shown in the drop-down. In this case, user selects both assertion methods. User can create multiple test suites for a given project. Then he saves his test suite's data and opens his test execution configuration page. User can create multiple test cases for a given test suite. In the test execution page, user selects the test suite to run. You would see user can also select SIT or a DVT for a particular test suite. SIT stands for System Integration Test and DVT stands for Design Validation, in other words User Acceptance Tests. When user selects one of these, say SIT, only the test cases within a given test suite that are tagged with SIT would be executed. For this demo, we assume all tests are SIT. Then all user does is click on Run Tests and relax when we run the tests and generate report. The test would be triggered in user's local device, which would have the necessary test bed deployed when user purchases and installs out product. The test is now over. Let's see the test execution report. User see the test report in his documents /test automation /app automation /test output /PDF report folder. The logo in the top left is customizable as per customer's own logo. Hope you enjoyed the demo. Check out testsprint360.com for more such demos.